Hey guys, a young ice boy 2 here. I'm back with another review for you guys today of the Lego Ninjago Jay and Nya's a race car EVO set. So without wasting any time, I'm going to show you the minifigures that come in this set today. So here we have first up, this is Nya. So this is what Nya looks like, this is the Nya minifigure that's included in this set, It does look pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, pretty solid, I really like her suit, it's really nice. It's really nice colors, Now obviously this outfit is not like canon to like the Ninjago series, but it looks nice. But obviously I'm not really gonna show you the head because it's basically like every other Nya minifigure now. But it looks really nice. She got a nice weapon, I like how that weapon is made. Looks really nice. And she just got a sword holder on the back, like every other ninja. So she's pretty nice, I really like the colors as well. I like the blue and the gunmetal. Looks really good. But anyway, let's move on to Jay. So here we have Jay. Looks pretty cool as well, I like the colors once again. I like the yellow and the blue. Looks really nice. It's got like a yellow sword in the back. Got some nunchucks. Very nice design. And obviously the face is like every other J minifigure, so there's nothing really special about it really. Basically the same as every other. But just the suit is very nice. I really like these suits for like the ninja, They're pretty basic, but they sort of do the job though, They're pretty basic, but they look very nice. I've near enough got all of them, I think. Near enough. But yeah. They do not look bad. Like the legs as well, like the detail on the legs, pretty nice. And obviously there's a hairpiece that you can put on Jay if you want. If you would like. If you'd like to have him with his mask off, but oh well. But here we have one of the boa destructors in this set. So he's using like these gunmetal like glove pieces, which looks really nice, Makes the figure look pretty menacing, I guess, makes it look pretty strong. Got nice, like the nice armor on there. Really like the armor on there. Looks really good. I think this was used on a titanium Zane statue in the Ninjago City Gardens. I think that's where this armor piece was from. But I know it's good to see it in this set as well. It's good to see it here as well. But I like the boa destructors, very nice color scheme. Obviously, they're all the same anyway. But I just like this variant of them. Because obviously they're in every single, like, core set from last year. But obviously, they're not in the sets this year that I don't have at the moment. But I will get them at some point. But yeah, these villains look really cool. I mean, this guy looks pretty cool. Nice to add to the collection, innit? But yeah, this is a Cobra mechanic. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Basically, the Cobra mechanic is very similar to the Boa Destructor, except from the colors are like inverted and stuff. Like the colors are like different. Obviously, the torso is a bit different as well. They're basically the same figure, but just colors inverted, basically. That's all. That's the only difference, really. And except from he's got like this backpack thing, like with like flamethrowers at the back and these robot arms at the back as well. I can hold like accessories and that. Because obviously in one hand he's holding like a wrench. It's pretty cool, and in just his regular hand he's holding like this silver katana. Looks really nice, doesn't it? Silver sword. And yeah, pretty cool, you know, he's just like every other Cobra mechanic, so there's really nothing special really. Except from he just has this backpack, so that's really it really. Looks pretty cool. Nothing much that I can really say, just a good the army builder, if you know what I mean. Pretty good. Let's move on to the vehicles. I think I might show you the helicopter first, just to start off. Yeah, I'm just gonna open it up. Put some of the this guy in there. Close that up. I think a piece just popped off right there. Give me a sec. Here we are. So this is what the helicopter looks like with the figure inside. Looks really nice. Really nice detail. So this is one of the vehicles that's included. So basically this set is like a 2-pack basically. Basically it's like a 2 models basically in one set, so it's like a 2-in-1. It's pretty cool. You know, I like the sticker on this, you know, it's very nice vehicle, you know. It's nice because we don't get villain vehicles that often, so, you know, it's pretty nice to get it here, really. A nice little helicopter, you know, there isn't much play features really in it, you know, which is kind of nice though. Kind of nice that there really isn't much play features on this, you know. That's what I like to see though, because it doesn't. At least it looks nice. But when they put play features on Ninjago sets, it doesn't look too ugly, because it kind of fades in a bit well though. But this has got nothing really, no stud shooters or spring-loaded missiles. Just this, you know, like the construction of this. It's really nice, and the propeller can spin. That's the propeller spinning, so it can spin like that. Try not to knock this over, but you just get it from the back and it does that. But yeah, it's pretty nice. I like the colours as well. It's very colourful, you know. It's a bit like the snakes, isn't it? A bit like these snake warriors, isn't it? It's sort of their colour scheme, isn't it? But yeah, that's pretty much it for this, you know. It looks really nice, I like it. Very nice. There's a few stickers on there for detail over here. That's it. I think I may have broke that thing off, but oh well. Just put that there for the moment. But yeah, let's move on to the race car, or the car. But yeah, I really like this car though. It's really nice. Really nice detail on there. Obviously, I'll just start from the back. But there's like this little flower on the back, which, you know, looks nice, but it sort of makes it look a bit, I don't know, it sort of makes the vehicle look a bit ugly, but it does look nice. But it's alright though, because it can be like a jetpack or whatever. I'll just remove it, because you can remove it. And you can put Nya on it. I've just got her standing on it, but it's basically what that looks like. I mean, you can put the figure any way that you want, but I just thought like this, you get the idea. Like a hoverboard type of thing. It's pretty basic, you know. Yeah, the vehicle does it alright without it though. But you know, I'll just remove it for the moment though. But yeah, that's what that looks like, you know. Not too bad. There's like stud shooters at the front, you know. That you can just, you can just lift them up. Ooh. But yeah, that's what it looks like when you lift them up. Pretty nice. Yeah, it's pretty cool, isn't it? But yeah, then you can just hide those away. And then I'm gonna put the minifigures inside the vehicle, just so I can show you what that looks like. So give me a second. So this is what the vehicle looks like with two of the minifigures inside. As you can fit basically two of them inside. I had to take all the weapons off, but that's what it looks like. Which is pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah, there's like a steering wheel in there, and there isn't much detail in there, but that's nice. But yeah, it's got that nice like detail on there, or nice like stickers and that. just to give it some nice color. Looks really nice. Some more stickers there. There's it from the back. It's got like these like swords sticking out the back that you can remove if you want. And then there's just a banner. That's in every single one of these sets as well. There's also a nice sticker at the front. So overall, because this set is pretty good overall. It's pretty good for the money. But yeah, you know, I have to admit it's really good for the money. Like, I got this for like 60 pounds on Amazon. But yeah, it's pretty good deal. I mean, it might sound a bit pricey, but you know, I'd say for what you get, it's pretty worth the money though. It's worth the money. It's a great set, you know. So it's great for kids, you know. But also just a great model to like display as well, you know. They're two like nice models, you know. I think they look really good. I think that's why when I was young, I think I would have loved a set like this. But you know, it's good, you know. It's good, you know. I like it. I enjoy building it. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, you know. I hope you've enjoyed it. And just remember to like and subscribe to this video. And I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And that's it from me. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.